Hello students, today I am starting with a new chapter, measuring time, chapter number 8. Children, telling the time, let us do a small recap which you have already learned in 3rd standard. Okay, see, you all children must be knowing few things about the clock, but let us do a small recap. See, this is the hour hand, this is the minute hand, and the small hand is of second hand. Okay, so basically there are two hands and this is the second hand, seconds, and this is hour. Okay, and this is minute hand. The minute hand goes from, see, for example, let me show you. For example, the time is, the watch is showing when two hands come together, it is 12 o'clock. Okay, now see, this is when it comes to one's place, the minute hand rotates every hour. Okay, when it completes one round, it is equal to 1 hour. And how we actually come to know what is the time? See, we have to tell the table of 5. So when it is at one's place, it is 12:05. When it is at 2's place, it is 12:10. When it is at 3's place, it is 12:15. When it is at 4's place, it is 12:20. So it is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay, children? So, let us see. 1 hour has 60 minutes. Okay? Okay, children? And there are two hands. See, for example, there is a clock. The small hand is the hours clock. Okay, hours clock. Hours hand, sorry children. And this is minute hand. This is minute hand. Okay. So there are two main hands in the clock, and the clock always rotates clockwise. Okay, from this side. It always starts from here. It doesn't go anti-clockwise. It goes clockwise. And you have to remember 5's table. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So 1 hour has 60 minutes. Okay. Now let us start. What is the time? The hour hand is between 1 and 2. Okay, children? See, the hour hand is between 1 and 2. So for example, I am showing this clock. Okay. So it is showing it is between 1 and 2. So it is between 1 and 2. So when it is between 1 and 2, what we say? The hours hand is between 1 and 2 and the minutes hand is at 6th place. Which means, it means that the time is 30 minutes past 1. Because it is between 1 and 2. It is not 1 also and it is not 2 also. It is in between. No? So we will say it means that 30 minutes past 1 means 1 o'clock हो गया है, 1 o'clock होके आगे गया है. So it is 30 minutes past 1. Now see, please take a pencil, write the time shown by the clock below in hours and minutes. Okay, we have to show in hours and minutes. The small hand is of hours and the big hand is of minutes. See, when 1 hour, it is past. See now here also, the green color is hour hand and the red color hand is minute hand. Okay, you can see. So the green color hand is between 1 and 2 and the minutes hand is at 9th place. So let me do it in the clock also. Okay, so this thing they have shown here. So what I will say, see children, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So what I will write, 45 minutes past 1, because the hours hand is between 1 and 2. So 45 minutes past 1. Now moving ahead with the second clock. Okay, see the hours hand is between 2 and 3. So what you will write, it is between 2 and 3. So it has passed 2. Okay, see this is 2. This is 2 o'clock because the hours hand is at 2's place and the minutes hand is at 12's place. Means it is exactly 2 o'clock. But when you move it, here it is at 7th place. So I will take it 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. So when it is at 7th place, what you are going to say? 35 minutes past 2. 35 minutes past 2 because it is between 2 and 3. It is 2 o'clock they have passed. So what you are going to say? 35 minutes past 2. Now the third one. See, it is at 3's place. No, it is between green color is hours hand and red color is minutes hand. So it is between 10 and 11. So what I will write, and this is 5, 10, 15. So what you are going to say? 15 minutes past 10. Okay, because it has passed 10 o'clock and the minutes hand is at 3's place, so which is 15. So it is 15 minutes past 10. Now moving ahead, fourth sum. See, the hours hand is between 3 and 4. The small hand is between 3 and 4, which is hours hand, and the big hand which is minutes hand, red color, it's at 8th place. So what you are going to say? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So what you are going to say? How you are going to write? 40 minutes past 3. Okay, because it is 3 o'clock बज के already चला गया है. Okay, so you will write 40 minutes past 3. Now next sum. The hours hand is at 7. It is not at 8th place, nor it is not in between also. It is just 7. Okay, so what you will write? And 5, 10, but 7 o'clock बच के चला गया. So you will write 10 minutes past 7. Okay, children. Then the hours hand is between 2 and 3. And the minutes hand is at 11. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So 55 minutes past 3. It is going to be 55 minutes past 2, because it has just reached. It is not between 3 and 4. It is between 2 and 3. So you have to see where the line is. See, when I did small mistake. So please correct it. It is 55 minutes past 2. Now if it gets here, then it is going to be exactly 3 o'clock. So it is 55 minutes past 2. You have to see it is not here. It is between 2 and 3. Just little more towards the 3 o'clock because it is 55 minutes. Then see the hours hand is between 9 and 10 and it is at 8th place. 8th place means 5 8s are 40. So 40 minutes past 9. Okay, always remember you have to calculate it with 5's table. Then here the hours hand is at between 12 and 1 and it is at 5's place. So 5 5s are 25. 25 minutes past 12. Okay. Now here we have to draw the hands. 10 minutes past 5. So 10 minutes past 5. Just 10 minutes. So let us do the center point first. So the hours hand will be here and the minutes hand will be here. Okay. It has just 10 minutes past 5. It's not in between. It will be just here. See here also we did no 10 minutes past 7. So it is at 7th place only. When it reaches at near 30 or 25, then it comes in between the two numbers. Then 15 minutes past 12. So it is 12. It is between 12 and 1. So I am given a slanting line. And then 15, 5, 10. This you will see 35 minutes and it is past 8. Means 8 o'clock already बज के चला गया. And see 30 minutes हो गए. मतलब now it is going towards 9. So what you will do? You will make hours hand between 9 and 8 and 9. Okay? And the minutes hand at 35. Okay children, then 25 minutes past 4. So it is also near, almost it is going to be 30 minutes. So what we will do, 3, 4 and 5 के बीच में आएगा. Okay, and this will be here. See when it's already 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, तो जो नंबर है मतलब जैसे 4 है तो फिर 4 का जो नेक्स्ट नंबर है 5, 4 and 5 के बीच में आएगा. अगर जैसे लिखा है 35 मिनट्स पास्ट 8, सो 9 और 8 के बीच में आएगा बिकॉज आफ्टर 8 o'clock इट्स गोइंग टू बी 9 o'clock. ओके. अच्छा, आई एम गिविंग अ स्मॉल एक्टिविटी फॉर यू. Make a model of a clock, arrange an exhibition of the models of the clock. So you can do a fun clock model with cardboard and ice cream sticks. Okay. Thank you.